Students, welcome in economics class. You have already studied economics in class 11th also. So in class 12th, there are two books. One is Indian Economic Development and other one is Macroeconomics. First, we are going to start first book, that is Indian Economic Development. Indian Economic Development is a complete theory book, and first unit of the book is related to our history that you have studied in your lower classes. The purpose for the introduction of this book is so that the students of economics can get familiar that what kind of economy we have got from the Britishers and what policies have adopted for the growth of the country, growth and development of the country, and what are the problems that we are facing right now in our country, like poverty, inflation, rising population, sustainable development, and the comparative study of it with its neighboring country like China and Pakistan. The first chapter of the book is, that is Indian economy on the eve of independence. Now here one word is there, that is eve. Eve doesn't refer to a specific day. It refers to prior to. Do you know when we got independence? We got independence in 1947, 15th August 1947. Here I am writing MCQ questions that are based on data. Sorry. We got independence on 15th August 1947. But our purpose for the study of this chapter doesn't mean to a specific day. It means we are going to study the Indian economy prior to that. Now, there are so many practical examples. Like, do you love to watch movies? But I love to watch movies. There are so many types of movies, various kinds of movies, like action movies, love stories, then historical movies, etc. But I love historical movies. Have you watched any historical movies? Many of you have watched old movies also, new movies also. Movies like Gandhi, Veer Savarkar, Shahid Udham Singh, Lagan, Kranti, etc. When you watch these movies, you will see what kind of behavior Britishers have towards Indians. Now, do you know the Britishers came in which year? Britishers came in our country in 1600 AD in the form of East India Company. Their main purpose was to do trade with our country. But slowly they became the ruler of our country. Now, the system under that, one country like Britain is a ruler and India was its colony. Now, the system in which one powerful country is a ruler and the other country is its colony, the main purpose of the ruler country is to exploit the natural as well as the human resources of the country. So that system is known as colonialism. Colonialism. That is also important for 1 marks question. Colonialism is a system under that one country is a ruler country, and the main purpose or sole purpose of the ruler country is to exploit the natural as well as the human resources of the country on which it is ruling. Now, the Britishers came in 1600 AD to till 1857. Do you remember? First War of Independence. After First War of Independence, they became the ruler of our country, and till 1947, exact near about 290 years, they ruled our country, and they exploit the natural as well as human resources of our country.